Today, how many subscribers are there? 77 subscribers are there. If you want, you can write the date today. Just within 1 year, 365 days, sir. Lakhs of subscribers by default will be there in that channel, I'm sure. I know the secret. What is the secret?
Consistency.
Simple. Consistency. 2 minutes at least action. 2 minutes at least action consistently. Forget about result. Automatical result by default will come. Array Durga sir, weight is going to be reduced to, is the required weight 61 or not? Are you going to believe?
Yes, sir.
Ayyo. Array 80 kgs to 67 I came, 66 I came. Only 5 more kgs, 61. Definitely my weight is going to be reduced or not? Believe me?
Yes, sir. Within 2 months.
Definitely. Within 1 month or 2 months or 3 months. Definitely one day it's going to come. Even I'm not required to think about that. I'm doing tea activities, no sugar into my body. Okay, it doesn't mean, sir, do you have sugar, diabetic? Like, no sugar, no BP, healthiest person, happiest person. Okay, no, even in my lifetime, I'm giving the guarantee I won't get sugar, I won't get BP, I won't get heart attack. Believe me, in my lifetime, because the reason is happiest person, no pressure, no pressure, no happiest person. Okay, like no sad, anything happen is always good for me, like I'm always going to feel, yes, I'm sure. Okay, so take a bit special. I mean, my points better to observe carefully. So anything you are going to give me, sir, definitely I will succeed in that area. That's why I'm telling confidently. I know the success formula. I can succeed like anything. I will create miracles. You will become my witness for my big success. Okay, not with respect to my health, with respect to my growth also. Okay, so consistently. So just in the good to great, there is one concept we discussed, doom loop. Have you remembered? Doom loop or doom loop? Rajiv,
Doom loop.
doom only, right?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
DOOM, doom loop. Shiva, correct, right?
Yes, sir.
So jumping
Yes,
from
sir.
one activity to another activity, because results are very slow or we are not seeing the results, sir, this is what doom loop. Our energy is going to be wasted. Our time is going to be wasted. Consistent. Decide one thing, consistently doing that activity. Yes, definitely you people are going to get the success. But every time improvement, 1% improvement, 1% improvement. Think about either can I improve anything in this area? Can I improve anything in this area? Like that improvement also matters a lot.